front wheel drive, the 5 and 6. Again, this will be for your second extension of the so far this weekend. Well, but they'll put a bench on there, the lane for top of the racetrack at the bottom. Still up for 750, 150, the work is forward, and out the CL Johnson on there in the road. Right? And you know, and I used to think, boy, you know what? So I was coming out a few years ago.
I forgot to tell you to shift the sport to the very last second. Did you get it? Okay.
But it went lean as fuck.
Did it go lean? I heard it popping.
But then I hit it again at the end of the track.
That was perfect.
So it makes me wonder if we just need more gas in the tank.
Okay.
Sloshes.
It came a little on the slosh side here.
Hand that to the master. But hey, at the end of the track, I calmed everything down and I hit it again. Good.
Okay, good.
We're going to shut them off down here on Bob's side.
So we're going to say we were going to cut it off.
Oof. Yeah, we don't want any of that.
They just sheared the lugs off of it. Like it spit them out over on the side.
Oh, I totally
The
missed
lugs,
that.
everything?
Yeah, the lug nuts are studs
I
and
see
all.
them,
or
bro. I
whatever.
see them. I see them. Yo, that's unfortunate.
Let's go.
10-8, boys. We're just getting the car warmed up, just getting the car started.
You hit 7. It's like you bounce. It's like you bounced off the 7 pounds.
We're not going to get 6 times. Now, generations also.
So give it a little bit. Hold on. I can check real quick.
Yeah, she looked amazing out of the hole.
Literally.
Let's see it.
Let me see it.
Can't see it now. I'm recording. Our second run was a 10.8. At the top of third gear, Jesse says the car shut off. We're looking to see exactly what's going on. He claims that the car shuts off, and as soon as he lets off the gas, the car just comes right back on. We were thinking maybe the ECU was kind of overheating, so we actually put some heat wrap around it, and we're going to test it out and see exactly if it does or if it doesn't.
I don't want to call it roll because it didn't roll, but it pushed maybe a foot before power delivered. So it definitely didn't leave the same.
The motor mount?
I don't know.
46 with the fourth there for
That's-
7 piece in the center.
I mean,
Well, he said it was fully loose.
yeah, it's fully off. Like, it's full off. All right, so a little update. We're gonna get Jesse back in the car, hopefully make a clean pass. Ryan is flashing a new map on it right now. We found what we believe to be the cause. Initially, we were kind of leaning towards maybe there was just some heat getting to the ECM. So we got some, of all things, aluminum foil to hopefully refract the heat from hitting it. And so we actually got under the car, and we found that there was a ground strap that had worked its way loose. So we've reaffixed that ground strap, and we're hoping that that's the solution to our problems with the car having intermittent issues. It popped a wrench light, and it threw them a P0030 code, which has nothing to do with the kind of stuff the car's doing. It's a catalyst code. So anyway, we hope this is the solution. We're gonna get Jesse back out there, and hopefully he can make a good clean hit. I mean, as soon as I got in there and touched that,
I took those off and cleaned it and stuck it back on. Tick, 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 tick.
You know, and I'm getting these random crazy ass
yeah,
codes.
that one there was loose, and as soon as it touched the steering rack, it popped big old sparks.
I looked up and it's like that's a sign of a poor ground.
Yeah, so something's up. Cylinder head ground.
Yeah. Tally all the I ever gave on my head. Lately I've been living like I can't take a loss. They ain't wanna help me, that's what made me a boss. You can't kill my confidence, I think I'm the man. We don't give a that's what they don't understand. I'm back again like full season.
All right, look right, Bill, right, pull up the sign quickly and see if we spot it can. And instead of Bill was thrown down the entire racetrack, you look up and you see, looks like he got off the track too, didn't he? So, yeah. So Reese was not of the real world virtually 8 miles to 780. Real world
rail up. We want to try to keep the injectors in as we do.
It's in for
And then we're just going to hit the button and let it pressurize, and we're going to see if one of them leaks.
If I loosen just here on the... That one's sticking in the foot.
Three. All right, stop. Kill it. God, can he kill it with fire?
Okay, it's number 3.
Three.
So she's just pouring.
3.
Okay. Need somebody here with injectors? Do you bring injectors for it?
Who do you think's got injectors?
I don't know, but the problem's going to be finding small injectors.
Yeah, because all these guys here run 17, 18, 22, 2600.
Then to only find 4 of them.
Right. Shit.
I mean, if we have to. That's a great Mountain Dew commercial, by the way.
Bartle skis.
This isn't the local track on Chestnut. This is extremely organized.
Yeah, so now we're on the hunt, boys. We've got to find injectors and a pump. They don't have access to a pump. He does have ID 2000, so worst case scenario, we can start with that. We'll start walking to the 4-banger, guys. We're on it.
Might get some injectors by tomorrow.
Yeah?
Yeah, so much fun.
Let's go.
Injectors for tomorrow.
You got a cleaner and you may have injectors.
Oh, yeah. What's up, brother? Carlos. What's up, brother? How you living, man? Good.
Huh?
You got a cleaner?
Yeah, I got a shop. I own a shop in Upper Marlboro, so I got everything there. I got one of my guys lives right there, so.
We got one stuck.
Yeah, he can clean it. We got all this shit from Fuel Injector Clinic to clean them, so.
Shit.
Wow.
He's saying pull
All my
injectors
shit's in
and he'll
Upper
take them
Marlboro.
with him and his MacGyver plate.
Yeah, he can run them through and phone for you and clean them up.
Fuck yeah.
Jesse. It was the guys with the red Honda.
We'll do all the above. Fuck, clean them, have them, and then if we've got new ones and we want to go up, we can go up. So, we've commandeered 2 new O-rings for that injector, and Jesse just completed another test. It looks like we've cured that, so now they're in the final stages of putting that rail back together for hopefully what is the last time. We will test it again, and unfortunately we're past the curfew of sound for the evening, so there's going to be no starting it tonight to confirm and get a good data log and any of that stuff. Yet we'll at least be able to confirm that the leak is cured, and then tomorrow morning when we're here, get back on it.